This is how to make a supernova, and today you will become a king of washes. Today we're going to talk about washes. A wash is basically watered down paint, more or less, but it is a very nice tool to have in your terrain making toolbox. And today I will show you how to make it and how to apply it. On the internet there are really a ton of videos about the greatest recipe for washes, but the one I will show you today is very easy, and you probably have all the stuff you need at home right now. So after this video you can make it. So what I have here is a cup of water, and first I will add some black paint. It can be cheap black crafting paints. And I also like to add some brown color, just a little bit. And then mix everything. And to help the water flow a little bit easier, I'm adding some drops of dish soap. Mix it again. When you add water on something, it actually wants to stay together. But when you add some dish soap, the surface tension will break and the water will flow more easily in all the crevices from our project. Then I have a piece of paper towel here. Now I'm going to test it to see how this thing works. And it's way too light for my taste, so I'm adding some more black paint. Yeah, this is already much better. Here I have a piece of foam to show you how to apply it and how the effect looks. On this side I have a heavy textured part. This side is textured with a stone and aluminum foil, and this part is just textured with my knife. The part down here is dry brushed. This part just got a gray coat of paint. So I'm going to take a bigger brush, dip it in the wash, and just apply it on the model. And you can see that the wash is immediately going into all the recesses, all the nooks and crannies. When you apply a wash, it will always darken your paint a bit. So make sure everything is touched with your wash, otherwise you will have these color differences. And of course, if that is what you want, totally fine, but if you don't want the color differences, make sure the wash went everywhere. Now the wash is dry, and as you can see, all the wash has seeped into all the crevices, and it made the project a lot darker, a lot dirtier and more used. Why you think, well, this is way too dark for me, you can re-add the highlights with dry brushing on your project. And when you think it isn't dirty enough for me, I want it to look more used and more aged, you can add a second or a third wash. Or if you want to build something and you always want a very dirty look, you can add even more paint in your washes. Here I have a second piece of foam with different colors. This part only had a base coat, and these parts had a base coat with highlights dry brushed on them. All the parts are textured with a stone and an aluminum foil ball. So it's obvious that a wash is not only suitable for grey buildings or mountains or walls or something like that, but it is also a really useful tool for any color you want, as long as you have enough texture on your project. If you made it until the end of this video, congratulations, because now you know everything about making and using a wash, and here's your King of the Wash badge. Good job, you already have 3 of them. If you like my video, please like and subscribe because there are more cool projects coming your way. And maybe in the meantime, you should check out one of these. See you next time.